Hi friends, hot summer season, everyone is running behind the lightweight low range sarees, right? Manufacturers also doing production in number of collections. What do you think? Do you think only from the printed sarees we can purchase from 99? These collections, there's a season which is going on, hot summer special season. This season is cotton manufacturers are giving you, which is daily wear printed sarees, which is 550 meters around approximately the length of the saree, which starts from only 95 rupees to around 250 to 300 rupees. You can buy multiple designs, multiple varieties in one bunch where you are getting a benefit. So, hi friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian. So, I come back to show you to the daily wear printed only from the cotton sarees. Today, I'm going to show you the samples. Keep watching this video, subscribe the channel, there's a bell icon, just click it. Quickly you can purchase these collections. If you're one of the south location, you can also have your reselling shop at a boutique or the cotton sarees reselling shop. Best reselling, you can also make your customers happy, which starts from 95 rupees and around 250 to 300. In each bundle, different designs, different colors. You want to have a look, these are the varieties. So let's have a samples. So quickly, if you're into a saree business, you want to easily quickly purchase, and today I'm going to show you the equal different varieties. So you can take the screenshot, and specific price I'm not mentioning over here. If you want to know the specific price, you can daily contact directly by the screenshot by contacting our online team. Yes, and I just want to share for all the sarees of the only one code, which is house office. This is code actually. So you can take the code and you can contact our online team, because these collections are easily selling and quickly people are from all over the India, they are ordering these collections. So first pattern, mini print, white based. The print is white, the body part color is orange color, very simple, very pretty batik print, and the mini leaf printed with the only white unique designs you can purchase. In individual bunch you can see such different colors and different designs. So you are getting this also. In your family, mother, sister, nephews, cousins, you can give it to your sisters also. This different designs and different colors, you can place an order by mixing all the segments. So next pattern, the mustard color, which is a baby pinkish color with the sun floral pattern, the floral base print. Then this also you have a unique designs, unique collections. This also you can purchase. All these exclusive varieties only a manufacturers can give you. The Kesaria manufacturers, which is located at Surat city, Millennium Textile Building 1, first floor, morning 9:30 to 8:30. You can visit the shop also, and you can buy many more women apparels, kids collections, many more varieties. So season to season you can also update into your business. The tomato red color, the circle and the dotted printed, and the leaf pattern, the brownish shade. So color combination with the design also, you can see how the color and the design is matching, but the manufacturers, they select the fabric and they are giving you such unique varieties. These are all new unique collections, and these are fast moving collections. If you go and check in your location, you can't buy one today in a cotton saree of simple print daily saree not lesser than 350 rupees. Yes, I'm saying you, not lesser than 300-350 rupees. You can't buy any one printed saree without blouse. So if you want to know the actual prices, you can directly visit our Kesaria, or you can do a online shopping. Dark purple color, the brinjal color, beautiful creamish color, unique printed varieties, which is very stylish for the working woman also. For nowadays you are transport, metro, two-wheeler, you are traveling, these collections are very lightweight. No damages found, or no quality or no color issues you may found. So next pattern, which is a rangoli print, very pretty, which is a multicolor, red with orange or dark yellow color, I can say. This is multi design, multicolor, very pretty. All these chanderi cotton varieties of the daily wear, once it's washed, it gets very soft. So no need, you can also put starch in home itself. So this is one of the pattern. If I talk about the next pattern, very pretty color, very pretty saree, which is a purple color, which is a kalamkari. Kalamkari is always very demanded, and even in the with blouse, without blouse also. So you can see very beautiful saree with the rama green color with the purple color shade. So this color also you can purchase. In this also you have a beautiful demanded unique kalamkari sarees also you can purchase. All the designs you are getting in one bundle, which is 10 pieces of set, 12 pieces of set, you can purchase. So next pattern, multicolor, multi-shade, only with the dark contrasted color. Here is a one more pattern. So dark orange with chanderi cotton with the dark mehendi color, thin layer of the leaf pattern running based, and the beautiful sunfloral based of the color, very unique design of flower print. So this also you can purchase. In one bunch, such many unique designs you are getting it. So that's why in the starting of the video I have told you the house and office is the code for all the sarees. So next pattern, which is a dark maroon color, maroon with cream with a bold creamish border. So you can see here with the greenish mehendi green color, mini border of the maroon shade. This also you have a rectangle, triangle based of the printed in the saree body part, multicolor, multi-design. This is also one of the pattern. These all unique designs, unique collections you can buy around 550 meters of the length, whereas without blouse I have showed you only lightweight daily wear sarees. These sarees, retailers, cotton resellers, retailers, if you want to become a cotton retailer, boutique retailer, you can buy with the Kesaria manufacturers. Cotton chudidar, cotton material, cotton ready-made three-piece concept on cotton sarees, fancy sarees, printed sarees, designer sarees, digital printed sarees. You have a khadi cotton, linen cotton, many more varieties. So highest prices if I talk about 1,000 rupees in the printed sarees. But these sarees are selling around the market, you know. So hopefully you like this collections. Let me know in the comment box from which city you're watching the video. And if you want to start a business with the clothing, you want to invest, Gateway Model Business Setup has brought Kesaria manufacturers. Numbers are on the screen. You can contact for more information. And there's a bell icon. Just click it, share the link with your friends, relatives, with everyone. What kind of collections you're looking for, please share me in the comment box. I'll do the videos for you. Keep supporting me. Next video will contact. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.